This how to 1 minute will show you how to add plugins to Godaddy website. Log into your Godaddy account and click on your profile and click on My Products. And here click on Web Hosting. And this is my website where I want to add a plugin. So clicking on Manage. And now click on cPanel Admin to open the website cPanel. Once you are in your website cPanel, here you can easily add any plugin. You can add plugin to your WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, PHP, BB. Then scroll down and here you will get the software section. Also from here you can add any software or any plugin to your website. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.